There. Bon appetit, paper engineers. This is an Arizona sandwich. It's a Navajo open face sandwich. Now, I'm putting salsa on here. And that is a primary ingredient to this, I do believe. And now I'm going to put some onion on it. Yeah. Fresh out of the garden onions. Nice. And I'm also going to put some sour cream on this thing, which is going on the upper half, because you know, you can't have this sandwich, this fry bread sandwich without sour cream. That's a little too much. That's okay. I'm going to add it to some other stuff here in just a minute. Okay, we got onion on here. And now we're going to put on some maters. You know, my buddy Mater, he drives a great tow truck, but he makes a fantastic sandwich as well. And so, there we go. We got Mater on there. And I think what I should probably do is put a little bit of this sea salt on here, just like so. Okay, now what I want to do, oh yeah. And now, because it's a Dagwood, I'm putting on some walnuts. Now remember, everybody, if you're allergic to nuts, please don't put them on a sandwich. It's not good for you, to make you sick. And I don't want that. So anyway, thank you all for joining. And what we got going on today is a Navajo open face sandwich. But because it's a Dagwood, I don't do open face. Alright, now, let me see. We're going to put on some of this hamburger, because that's an integral part of what this is. Is you have to have some good roughage on here too. And so, anyway, I'm also going to be putting some roughage on here. And since it's a Dagwood, you know, I got to put Homer Simpson's favorite fruit on this thing too. Avocado. Because not only is Homer Simpson smart, he makes some good stuff with avocado. All right, got the avocado on there. Need some of these here black olives as well on this, and I'm going to put on some of these here flowers, because they actually are good for you. Had somebody ask me about it. He says, it ain't any good for you. Well, one of our paper army friends sent me a message telling me, yeah, they got vitamin A and C in them. There's that. And now some Brussels sprout leaves for roughage. That's good. What else do I... Oh, yeah, we got to have some of this here cheddar cheese. And so... yeah, here we go. Cheddar cheese on there, shredded. And now we're going to put the lid on this thing. Just like that. All right, now, open face sandwich, now closed face sandwich. Okay, so let's get a cross section of this sucker. And I am hungry. Breakfast was rather thin this morning. And so this is going to make a very good Sammy for today. Alrighty. There you go. A Arizona Navajo open face, closed face Dagwood. Alright, and I've never done this before, so this is all brand new. I dream of Jeannie. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so let's go rock, paper, paper. Hey guys, this is actually really good. Wow. Bon appetit, paper engineers in training and Dagwood fans. This will be posted shortly.